In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin to a Facebook page so another person can help manage the page with full access. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that currently manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page you want to manage. Once the page opens, look for the Settings option and tap on it to access the page settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Page Access. Here you will see a list of people who already have access to the page. To add a new admin, tap Add New or Add People. Facebook will ask you to search for the person you want to add. Type the name of the person and select their profile from the list. After selecting the person, choose the level of access you want to give them. To give full control, select the option that allows them to manage the page completely. Then tap Give Access and confirm by entering your password if required. Once confirmed, the person will receive an invitation and will become an admin after accepting it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.